Okay, so your 11th chapter is about your light, shadows, and reflection. So you know all these terms in your common language, but now you will study about them in details, about how actually they are formed and what is their scientific use. So let's start now. We see so many objects around us. On the way to school, you see several objects. So how do you think do you see these objects? ठीक है, ये ऑब्जेक्ट्स हमें दिखाई कैसे देते हैं? So think of the same places at night when it was dark or it is completely dark. Whenever you enter a room, if it is dark, you are not able to see anything. So what does it tell you? That it is light which is making us to see objects. वो light ही है जिसकी वजह से we are able to see objects. Light helps us to see objects. Whenever there is no light, we cannot see any object. So the torch bulb is an object. So what they are given an example. अगर आप किसी room में जाते हो, whenever you enter a room and there is no light, there is an electricity cut off, what you will take? You would take a torch with you. So what is the torch doing? Torch is giving out light. Torch is giving out light. And whenever you are entering a room and there is a light, you switch on the tube light, you switch on the bulb, whatever. The bulb gives off light, the tube light gives off light. And during daylight, you don't need any bulb, you don't need any CFL. What is there? A natural light, that is your sun. So the objects which are giving off light, जिनके अंदर क्या होता है, they are producing light, they are giving off light, are known as the luminous objects. So they have given you objects like the sun that give out or emit light of their own are called luminous objects. So an object which has light of its own, it is emitting light of its own, is known as a luminous object. And an object which do not have a light of its own is known as a non-luminous object. Apart from all these bodies like your sun, your torch, your CFL, your tube light, your bulb, इन सब को छोड़ के all the other objects like us, the human beings, the things around us, the your wooden chairs, your tables, whatever things, all are these, they are all non-luminous objects because they do not have light of their own. But how we are able to see them? Because of the light falling from a luminous object. कैसे देख रहे हैं हम? Whenever any luminous object is focusing light on it. अगर आप किसी रूम में जाते हो, जिस भी चीज़ को आप देखना चाहते हो एक डार्क रूम में, यू फोकस द लाइट रेज. आप क्या करते हो? टॉर्च के डायरेक्शन को उस तरफ कर देते हो. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? लाइट इज बीइंग फोकस्ड ऑन अ नॉन ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट. आप एक ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट से लाइट को नॉन ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट में फोकस कर रहे हो सो दैट यू कैन सी इट. सो वी सी अ नॉन ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ लाइट ओनली. Now we will learn again about the three objects: transparent, opaque and translucent, as you have learned in chapter 4. So the transparent objects are the one through which you can see clearly, the translucent were the ones through which you see blur, and the opaque through which you cannot see anything. But now in this chapter you will know that how do you see clearly through a transparent object? What is the reason behind it? The reason is the transparent object allows light completely to pass through it. जो ट्रांसपेरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट होता है उसके अंदर से पूरी लाइट कम्प्लीटली पास हो जाती है. दैट इज़ वाई यू आर एबल टू सी क्लियरली थ्रू इट. सिमिलरली विद ट्रांसलूसेंट ऑब्जेक्ट, इट अलाउज लेस लाइट टू पास थ्रू इट. जितनी कम लाइट वो पास करता है, जितनी वो अलाउ करता है, उसके थ्रू आप देख लेते हो. सो देयरफॉर देयर इज़ अ ब्लर vision. And in an opaque object, and an opaque object is the one through which no light passes, and if no light passes you cannot see anything through it because you need light to pass through anything, you need light to see anything, you need light to see through anything. So if no light is passing you are not able to see anything. So this is the reason behind whenever you are seeing any object through whenever you are able to see through an object or not. Now they have given you a table, the objects and the view through it. So in a pencil there is no view through it, so not at all. So the object is what? Opaque. Rubber ball, same, no view, and it is also it is also opaque. Now sheet of writing paper, not very sure, because if you are looking through a single sheet of paper it would be translucent, and if you are looking through 2 or 5 papers then it would be opaque. Now we come to the next topic, which is what exactly are shadows, which is your chapter also, so you must be knowing that shadow is something, a dark patch or something like that which is formed whenever you come in the path of light. अगर आप लाइट के पाथ में आ जाते हो, आप सन के सामने आ जाते हो, तो आपकी शैडो, सपोज यहाँ से सन इज फॉलिंग ऑन यू, देन योर शैडो विल बी सीन ऑन द ग्राउंड. लाइक यू कैन सी माई शैडो, सी द शैडो ऑफ माई हैंड, because there is a bulb in front of me. That bulb is focusing the light on my hand and the shadow is being formed here. So whenever any object comes in path of light, its path is blocked. What you're doing, the opaque object, not any object. Whenever any opaque object, this hand is an opaque object. जब भी कोई opaque object क्या होता है, path में आता है light की, what it is doing, it is blocking the light. ये light को allow नहीं कर रहा है. तो जब लाइट को अलाउ नहीं करेगा तो पीछे क्या दिखेगा, अ डार्क पैच. अगर आपने क्या किया, लाइट को अलाउ कर दिया, सो वहाँ पे लाइट दिखने लगेगी. इफ नॉट, देन इट वुड फॉर्म अ डार्क पैच. सिमिलरली इफ यू यूज अ मोबाइल फोन, द शैडो ऑफ अ मोबाइल फोन वुड बी सीन because it is also an opaque object. But if you use a transparent thing, then suppose this is a specs, it is transparent, so you can see through it, there is no shadow, right? But the frame, it is an opaque object, therefore the shadow can be seen. So always remember, a shadow is formed whenever there is an opaque object. ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट ही होता है, उसी की शैडो बनती है, अदरवाइज नो, यू कैन नॉट फॉर्म अ शैडो विद अ ट्रांसपेरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट और अ ट्रांसलूसेंट ऑब्जेक्ट. Okay, what is the other thing you need? You need light, of course. You cannot form a shadow in dark. आपको क्या है, अंधेरे में कभी शैडो नहीं दिखाई देती है. रात के अंधेरे में आप चलते जा रहे हो, there is no shadow. If there is a light, then only there is a shadow. So this is another requirement, the most important requirement. You need light. Second is you need an opaque object. Now the third most important thing is that you need a certain screen. आपको कोई ऐसी जगह भी तो चाहिए जिसके ऊपर आपकी शैडो दिखाई दे. ठीक है, आपके सामने लाइट हो गई, देन योर ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट. अब शैडो बनेगी कहाँ पे, जहाँ पे बनेगी, दैट थिंग इज नोन एज अ स्क्रीन. एज दे हैव शोन इन फिगर 11.3, अ शैडो इज ऑब्टेन ओनली ऑन अ स्क्रीन. व्हाट द स्टूडेंट्स आर डूइंग, वन गर्ल इज होल्डिंग अ टॉर्च on a dark place, then the boy is standing which acts as an opaque object, and the girl is carrying a calendar or a sheet of paper which is acting as a screen. तो उसी स्क्रीन पर जो है बॉय की शैडो दिखाई दे रही है. So you need three things to form a shadow. The first is the light source, the second is your opaque object, and the third one is your screen जिसके ऊपर शैडो दिखाई देगी. So whenever if someone asks you what are the requirements, you will give these requirements. Okay, now what they're saying, sometimes what happen, we can depict the, or we can tell about the shape of an object from the shadow it is making, right? As it was given in this figure 11.2, you can clearly tell that the first figure with the first shadow is of a tree. It is showing a tree. In the second one, it may be a notebook or it may be a chart, right? So we can clearly tell that this shape is of a certain object, this particular object. But sometimes what happen, you cannot tell, a shadow fools us. How does it fools us? Look at this figure 11.4. People can make different shapes, different shadows with their hands. Say they are making the face of a duck, they can make a face of a fox, they can make a face of a bull. They are making different heads. You see, this is a deer head, then this is an eagle. The palms they are using, the eagle palms, right? So you can make different sometimes different shadows with the help of your hands. But actual में तो आपके वो hands हैं, there is no animal. तो आप ये भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, trick to fool someone. तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो शैडो है वो वही शेप दे जैसा ही आपका ज़रूरी नहीं है वो शैडो उसी चीज़ की हो जिसका आपने जो एनिमल आप बना रहे हो, राइट? इट कैन बी समथिंग एल्स ऑल्सो. यू कैन यूज़, सपोज आपके पास कोई टॉय है और आपने उसको लाइट में रख दिया, उसकी बड़ी सी शैडो बन जाएगी. somebody would think it is a real animal. ठीक, तो समटाइम्स द शैडो ऑल्सो फूल्स अस. Another characteristic what they're telling of shadow, it is